Dear student, we have to describe the types of the set. The next type is equivalent set. In the previous lecture, we have to describe the equal set. Equal set. Equal set. A and B, two sets are equal if and only if X belongs to A implies that X belongs to B. Two sets are equal if and only if X belongs to A implies that X belongs to B. Now the equivalent set. Equivalent set. Equivalent set. Two sets A and B are equivalent if n of A is equal to n of B. It means number of element in A and number of element in B both are equal. Element may be different, but number of element of both set are equal. For example, A is equal to 1 2 and B is equal to A comma B. Here n of A is equal to 2 and n of B also 2. Therefore both are equivalent set. Now the next is subset. What do you mean by subset? A set A is called subset of a set B if all the elements of A lies in B. That is, if X belongs to A, this implies that X belongs to B. Then A is subset of B. Symbolically it can be written as A subset B. This is the symbol of the subset. For example, if A is equal to curly bracket 1 2 and B is equal to curly bracket 1 2 3. Here we have to see that all the element of A lies in B. Therefore A is a subset of B. But B not subset of A. B not subset of A because all the element of B does not lie in A. This is the definition of a subset. Now the next is superset. What do you mean by superset? If A is a subset of B, it means all the element of A lies in a B. All the element of A lies in a B, then A is a subset of B. If A is a subset of B, then B is called superset. B is called superset of A, and it is denoted by B superset A. That is the symbol of superset. It means if any set is a subset of other set, then that other set is called the superset. Now the next topic is proper subset. Proper subset. If A is a subset of B and B not is equal to A, that is at least one element of B not lies at least one element of B not lies in A, then A is called proper subset of B, and it is denoted by A subset, proper subset. This is the symbol of proper subset.